Hey there, welcome to Quality Tax Service and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you. Learn income tax returns in 5 minutes. Are you ready to dive into the world of income tax filing, profit and loss, and balance sheet? Let's get started. So, income tax return, it's something we all have to deal with, right? Whether you're a salaried individual or a business owner, understanding how to file your income tax returns is crucial. Let's break it down into simple steps. Firstly, you need to gather all your income documents, salary slips, bank statements, investment proofs, etc. This will help you calculate your total income. Next, understand the deductions available to you under various sections of the Income Tax Act. From HRA to Section 80C deductions, each one plays a significant role in reducing your taxable income. Moving on to profit and loss, for business owners, this is a key component of your income tax return. Your profit and loss statement reflects the financial health of your business and determines your tax liability. Balance sheet, on the other hand, provides a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity. It's essential for assessing the overall financial position of your business. Now, let's talk about filing your income tax return. Whether you choose to do it yourself or hire a professional, ensuring accuracy and timeliness is crucial to avoid any penalties. Remember to keep all your supporting documents handy while filing your returns. This includes Form 16, TDS certificates, and any other relevant proofs. Once you've filed your return, don't forget to verify it either electronically or by sending a signed copy to the Income Tax Department. This step completes the filing process. And there you have it, folks, a quick overview of income tax returns, profit and loss, and balance sheet. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and tips on managing your taxes efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, stay financially savvy.